Greetings folks, today we're going to replace the panel on the Acer Nitro 5. I've got my favorite, the AUO 42ED 120 Hz right here, and this is the LG 60 Hz panel coming in at around 66% standard RGB, so it's not that attractive and it's got to go. So let's go ahead and replace it. These regular bezeled laptops are usually pretty easy to pull apart. All right, pretty simple stuff. Now let's remove the 4 screws and hold the display in the lid. Carefully remove the piece of tape covering the 30-pin connector. It slides in from the bottom upwards. And there will be these little plastic posts that this thing will rest on, and it'll sit nice and pretty while you put in the 4 screws. Of course, the assembly is just the opposite of teardown. It is really that easy, guys. Now, thin bezel chassis laptops are starting to become a little bit different, as they do not seem to feature this housing around the outside. But your normal laptop with what is now considered a chunky bezel, it's pretty much just pull the bezel off, pull the panel off, replace it, put the new bezel, put the bezel back on, and finished. Well, it'd be neat if we could take that piece off and paint it black. Maybe some other day. Look at that, good as new. What's there to worry about, folks? Not a whole lot. Oh my gosh, I can tell already. What an improvement. Wow, can't wait to calibrate this thing. It is a beautiful thing here. And let's go ahead and set this to 120 Hertz. Nothing but a quick reboot couldn't fix. And oh my goodness, is that smooth. Oh, that is glorious. There it is, 120 Hertz, 8-bit. Hallelujah. That is a beautiful thing. Let's see if we can zoom in. Woo! There she is in all her glory. It's Bob of All Trades. Peace out.